uh, 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 uh. Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind.
Hello world of YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're sitting on the ground because we're taking advantage of what little bit of daylight there is left in Arizona today because it's raining and of course it's cloudy on a day when I want to film as per usual, and I am getting ready very quickly for work. I've done another video like this, but today's video I'm trying out a couple of new products. I'm very excited. I'm trying out the Ordinary's Serum Foundation and I'm trying out the RMCA No Color Powder. I've zoomed myself in a little bit and now I'm gonna just go in with some primer. I'm using the Becca First Light primer because, girl, it's like the only thing I use now. And now this foundation, you do need to shake it before you use it. So shake, 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 Sonora. Now I'm not exactly sure how is best to apply it yet because this is gonna be a trial one. Ooh, it's very liquidy, very liquidy. It's very liquidy. It's my first thought. So we're gonna swoop it up onto my sponge here. Oh, I should have grabbed a mirror so I could, you know, see what I'm doing a little bit. I'm gonna grab my mirror that's full of fingerprints. I'm thinking because this foundation is so liquidy, it may be better applied with a brush, but today we're trying it at the Beauty Blender thing. Real Technique sponge. All right, a couple more drops and get the forehead. The shade I chose is 1.2 Neutral. I think I did a pretty good job because normally I'm not this fair. I'll move this up so you can see the lighting better. Considering I literally just plopped it on my face, I think it looks really good. So there's that. Now we're going to go in with some concealer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Have thoroughly been enjoying this concealer lately as a drugstore cruelty-free option. Girl, they came out with some great stuff recently, like foundation and concealer. Oh girl, I am living for this foundation. This is really nice. This is like really nice. Okay. I see you, The Ordinary. I see you. I need to set this. Oh boy. Okay, we're just gonna, I don't think that's very sanitary. How about this? Oh yeah, just pouring it in my hand. Ratchet salon style. Oh god, I'm getting it all over my camera. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm getting it all over everywhere. It's like blowing into the camera. Well, okay. We're gonna let that sit there for like a second and I'm gonna brush it off because, oh, it's very silky. Very silky. I forgot to grab my trusty Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer for my eyes, so we're just gonna go back in with that concealer. Should have done this like before I put the setting powder on, but you know, it's cool. I just really wanted to get this video out because I started seeing people use this foundation. I'm like, no, I want my video out reviewing it so people see it. I'm gonna use my handy Too Faced Natural Matte palette. I'm gonna use the shades Honey Butter and probably Strapless. Those are my favorites to just throw on the face. Woo! Hey, that adds extra light. But now I can't see myself. All right, we'll go like this. Blind application. Basically, because I don't have my contacts in. This is kind of spooky looking. I should have done this for Halloween. Can I see myself in that mirror at all? No. A little touch of the Strapless color, just in the outer corner. And I'm gonna bring my mirror up and I'm gonna blend it out. And now I'm just gonna use my pinky finger and I'm gonna go into this creamy bay color. I think that's what it's called. I can't read it because I don't have my glasses on. Day. It's day. It's not bay. It's day. I have decided to just live in the world of makeup and beauty lately because I cannot handle the news. I just can't. Any of it. At all, basically. The only news I can handle is like comedy news because it's all upsetting. It's not that I don't watch the news. It's just, I can only watch it in like small doses. I get the gist of what's going on and then I go about my day. Nearly used up this Coco K lip liner. This lip kit has been one of my favorites. Like I said in my yearly favorites video, it's in the year of the Kylie Cosmetics for me. I've needed a liquid lipstick that would just hold up through the day and this, it does, it just does. All right, now throwing on some brow product. We'll go throw on some mascara and we'll call it a day with the makeup. I don't know what you guys have going on today, but like today I just got work. I plucked my eyebrows only to butcher it with this tinted brow gel. Whatever. Also, I have to say I think my outfit's pretty cute today. I'm gonna go grab some actual setting spray and just before I leave for work. We also have to assess the fact that I got that powder way too close to my lens. Oh, how I missed you, Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Oh, how I missed thee. If you don't know by now, I'm a sucker for puns. So stay tuned for the most ridiculous puns, some dad jokes. I like doing that kind of stuff on my channel. I'm also very dramatic. Yeah, it's a little dusty. So this is very, very simple makeup. Oh, I didn't even put my mascara on. I just put some mascara on. I'm using the Too Faced mascara. I really need this in waterproof because this one just smudges, but I still like it. It looks good until it smudges, which is like a few hours in. Right, stepping outside. We're gonna get some focus. Oh, I was too. Stepping outside. Surprise! I don't have work today. I got a phone call like just before I was supposed to go in that I don't have work. So I'm outside and it's freezing, so I'm gonna get my jacket. Just kidding, it's like not like a real jacket, it's just my hoodie. My hoodie is from one of my alma, oh, I can't vlog today. And my hoodie is from one of my alma maters. Yeah, I said one of because your girl graduated with a bachelor's and she has her master's. So this is my, hold on. This is my Loyola hoodie from where I got my master's. Oh boy, my cat's wanting to come out. Like he could not be any more cute. Hi, Joey. Hi, buddy. Oh, hi, buddy. I might pick him up and hold him later, but he's gotten into this habit where if he comes outside, he just eats the plants until he like gets sick. Like, so looking at the mirror, I saw that there were some serious eyebrow flaws, but I fixed it a little bit. I fixed it. You have something to say to me? Oh, buddy, I'll hold you. I love you, you know that. Okay, I have to get him and hold him, but he's gonna be a brat anyway, so just watch. I can guarantee this. Like, I know how this is gonna unfold. I know you. Oh, now he's got the purr motor going. Wanna say hi to the vlog, bud? This is Joey. He is 15 years old. And he loves going on adventures outside. But if I put him down, he's not an outdoor cat. He doesn't have front claws. We adopted him after he was declawed. And if I ever got another cat, I know I would never, ever declaw them because it's not good. He's like leaning into my hand so hard right now. Just me and my cat. He's also huge. He's also a huge cat. So yeah, today's a bit of a disappointment. They didn't need me at work because I guess, whatever, they didn't need me at work. And so I'm like, okay, cool. What am I gonna do? I can give you more of a close-up of what the foundation looks like. And I think it's rad. Like honestly, did mess up my crease lines. Normally I get like instant crease lines under my eyes. The RMCA No Color Powder looks like it's doing a wonderful job. I'm surprised he's being so well behaved. He probably knows. He's probably cold. He probably feels how cold it is out here and he's like, decisions were bad to come out here. I'm gonna try to get you to see what I'm seeing right now. He's just so cute. He's just so cute. And I'm just sitting out here in my favorite jeans. They're from Zara. I saw Ingrid Nilsson wear them and I was like, I need those. Well, she didn't wear it. I don't know if I saw her try them on. Maybe I did on her Instagram, but she had a that's my boyfriend calling. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure, I can meet you guys there. Okay, love you. Bye. I'm gonna be going and helping move stuff from one storage unit to another. Joey, we're gonna have to cut our outdoor adventure short, bud. Oh, I heard it. Oh! Are you being naughty? He didn't like that. He knows. He's old enough to know. He knows what all done means and he does not like it. Also, it rains and I'm pretty sure my butt is wet from sitting in that chair. Good decisions, Gwen. Yep, my butt is 100% wet from sitting in that chair. awesome. Darn you, rain that never happens in Arizona, so I don't expect it and I sit on a wet chair. Oh my gosh. Well, just came back home, moved all the stuff from one storage unit to another, and it's cold outside, not like actual cold, but like for Arizona cold. I've had the makeup on for 5 hours in total now, so this is a roughly good estimate of like someone's typical shift for work, or like the mid good portion of a day, like after I've had some wear time on the foundation under my build. I will check in with you all later. Anyway, my aunt brought some Christmas gifts over, and this is one of them. They make their Baileys with almond milk sometimes now, and you can get a gluten-free, dairy-free kind. I tried a bit in my coffee. It didn't separate or anything, and it tastes good, so cheers. We are home. The boys went to go pick up pizzas. We are now just waiting for them to return, and I'm gonna sit here, chill with my mom and the kitty cat over there. The other cat's on my mom. All right, we're in my closet because I'm putting away some laundry. It is now 6 p.m. We've had dinner. The day has gone on. But anyway, this foundation lasted pretty darn well. I don't think it's meant to be a super long wearing foundation, but overall I think it looks pretty good up close. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. So this is the face. I don't know what it looks like. When I probably watch this editing, I'll be able to see when I'm actually editing, because I'm being like blinded by my light right now. Yeah, and if you're wondering how I organize my fancy dancy closet here, ooh, how I organize it, I have a whole video about that, and it's already up on my channel, so you can go check that out. I'll leave a little link somewhere up in there, maybe the iCard section. Maybe it's on this side. I don't know. I'll leave links in this video to other videos you might like, other reviews and such. Let's pop a squat in my closet and move my laundry out of the way. Okay. Why am I filming in my closet, you ask? It's because my filming equipment's in here, and I have space in my closet, so I figured, why not? Also, needed a place to sit down that was quiet. So, final thoughts on this foundation. I honestly, like, I'm gonna make this real quick for you guys. It only had a tiny little bit of creasing in my laugh line, but you know what? Like, it is so good compared to like a lot of my foundations and foundations that I've tried, and if you know me, you know I've tried a lot of foundations. That being said, I really like it. Genuinely really like it, to the point where I'm gonna go buy some tan shades for when I'm self-tanning, you know what I'm saying? Because I wanna be able to wear this all the time, because I feel like it's the perfect foundation for me to wear to work when I wanna have that natural yet flawless kind of look going on. Sort of like when I would wear the Cover FX oil-free foundation that I've talked about in my favorites video of 2017. I'm gonna leave a link for that up here too. But, so it has the same kind of look as it, but it's not as full coverage. Now, I know The Ordinary makes a coverage foundation. Totally interested to try that out someday. I think that because my skin is a little more dry, the serum foundation is right where it's at. This is turning into a ramble here at the end of my video. So just hit that subscribe button. Hang out with me on my channel all the time. Leave me some comments. Let me know what your thoughts are about, you know, any of the products I've mentioned, or any of that. Like, if you have some thoughts, leave them below. If you think this looks like shit on me, let me know. If you think it looks like, if you think this foundation looks like fabulous on me, or that it looks like garbage, go ahead and tell me in the comments below. I will not be offended, because it's the internet and trolls are everywhere. Getting a little goofy. I will see you all later. Bye. Come on, focus on my face. My face is here. Focus. I'm trying out the Ordinary's No Color Foundation, Serum Foundation, and I'm trying out the RMCA No Color Powder. Wait, what? Whoa. All right.